Welcome. Command please.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Watertown, or 7 miles east of Lebanon, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
Nice.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Let's get
Tree
NOAA
damage
out
is
there.
likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gordonsville around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Carthage around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pleasant Shade, Tucker's Crossroads, South Carthage, and Dixon Springs. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 236 and 260. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornado watch number